Kuromi, my Melo, Kiki-chan.
Wow! Wake up, Melody, wake up. I have an amazing idea. Great! So cute. So beautiful.
Sorry, Kuromi. Are you okay?
Complete the house frame with hardcover and colored paper. I hope you like it. First, make a melody-shaped sofa. Thin the clay with hard plastic. Shape the sofa. Use the gems as sofa legs. Great! Place the sofa in the right room. Next, make a storage shelf. Combine the hard plastic pieces to shape the shelf. Ta-da! Make a backpack. Cut the clay. Combine the clay pieces into a backpack shape. So cute! Place the backpack on the shelf. Add books, a clock, and a flower pot. Add a wall-mounted shelf. Make a table. Thin the clay with hard plastic. Use bottle caps as table legs. Make a strawberry-shaped chair. Place 2 chairs next to the table. Decorate the living room.
Hey, Kuromi, come to my house to eat cake.
Okay, I'll come now. Hello, Melody. I'm so sleepy. Wake up, Kuromi. Wake up.
Aha!
I will make you a beautiful bed. Cover the cardboard with a layer of clay. Ta-da! Cut the cardboard according to the drawing. Decorate the ears and add a bow. So beautiful! Shape the bed. table. Apply glue. Add a cardboard piece. Cut off the excess clay. Add table legs. Amazing! Place the table next to the bed. The mirror is so beautiful. Decorate the bedroom.
Excellent!
Wow, the bedroom is beautiful! Thank you, Lisa! Help me make a Kuromi headboard!
Okay.
So happy!
I just woke up, so I'm a bit hungry. Can I eat this cake